The 2025 Ferrari F8 Tributo continues to uphold Ferrari's legacy of blending extreme performance with elegant Italian design. Under the hood, it houses a 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that delivers an astonishing 710 horsepower and 568 pounds-feet of torque. This powerhouse propels the F8 Tributo from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds, with the top speed exceeding 211 miles per hour. Despite being turbocharged, the engine is known for its razor-sharp throttle response and exhilarating exhaust note, offering an experience that's both brutal and refined. The exterior design is a masterclass in aerodynamics and aesthetics. Its sculpted lines aren't just for show, they're engineered to improve downforce and reduce drag. The front test duct, a carryover from the 488 Pista, boosts front-end downforce by 15%. While the rear features a Lexan engine cover with louvered vents that harken back to the legendary F40, slim LED headlights, aggressive air intakes, and a wider rear stance give the F8 a more muscular, purposeful look, all while retaining that signature Ferrari elegance. Step inside the cabin, and the blend of race-inspired minimalism and luxury is immediately apparent. The cockpit is clearly driver-focused, with a flat-bottom steering wheel, paddle shifters, and a digital analog hybrid instrument cluster that gives the driver everything they need at a glance. Premium materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and hand-stitched leather cover every surface, ensuring a refined atmosphere that still feels athletic. Ferrari has also updated the infotainment interface, with the 7-inch passenger-side touchscreen that allows co-drivers to engage with performance data and navigation. In terms of handling, the F8 Tributo benefits from Ferrari's advanced side-slip angle control and the latest version of its dynamic enhancer, which fine-tune the car's behavior in corners and at high speed. Paired with the ultra-precise steering and lightweight chassis, the F8 offers an incredibly responsive and confident driving experience. It's equally at home on a racetrack or a winding mountain road. What sets the 2025 F8 Tributo apart isn't just raw power or beautiful design, it's the harmony between performance, usability, and unmistakable Ferrari character. It's a celebration of the internal combustion engine at its peak, and for enthusiasts who want a visceral, engaging driving machine with timeless looks, the F8 Tributo remains one of the most desirable mid-engine supercars in the world.